Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage data insights with Heap, complete guide step by step clearly. To manage data insights with Heap, start by signing into your Heap account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard to view your data overview. Identify key metrics and dimensions that are relevant to your analysis. Next, select the Events tab to explore the actions your users are taking. Use the search bar to find specific events that you wish to analyze. Once you find an event, click on it to view detailed insights and trends. To customize your data view, use the various filter options available. You can filter by date range, user properties, or even specific pages. After setting your filters, review the insights to understand user behavior. To create a report, click on the Create Report button located in the upper right corner. Select the type of report you want to generate, be it a funnel, retention, or user journey report. Configure the report parameters to meet your analytical needs. Once configured, run the report and wait for the data to be processed. Review the results to gain insights into user interactions and outcomes. For deeper analysis, you can export your report in various formats. This allows for further examination in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. Navigate to the Automation section to schedule these reports regularly. You can choose the frequency of the automated reports based on your preference. Finally, always revisit and update your insights as more data is collected. This ensures your analysis remains relevant and useful over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.